In this video, we'll break down the process of navigating the I-485 and I-612 forms, especially if you have previously held a J-1 visa. We'll cover how these forms work together and the steps you need to take, including any residency requirements that may apply to you. In this video, we will cover the connection between Form I-485 and the J-1 visa, explain the 2-year home residency requirement, show you how to check if this requirement applies to you, explore Form I-612 for waiver applications, step through an example scenario, and finally wrap up with the key takeaways. The I-485 form, known as the Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status, is very important for green card applicants. However, a critical aspect arises if you previously held a J-1 visa. Whether the 2-year foreign residence requirement under INA 212E applies to you. This is a vital consideration in the green card application process. Some holders of the J-1 visa are obligated to return to their home country for a period of 2 years before they can apply for certain other types of visas or seek status adjustment to permanent residence. This is because certain conditions, such as program financing by the U.S. or your government, listing of your field on the Exchange Visitor Skills List, or receipt of graduate medical education or training, play a role in this obligation. It is crucial to determine whether this requirement applies at the time when your J-1 visa was issued. To find out if the 2-year home residency requirement applies to you, you must first check your DS-2019 form. This form was issued to you as a J-1 visa holder, and it should clearly state if you're subject to the requirement. Additionally, you should also check your physical J-1 visa stamp in your passport, as it can also indicate this requirement. If it turns out that you are subject to the 2-year home residency requirement, then filing Form I-612 is imperative. This form is used to request a waiver from the 2-year requirement, which allows you to move forward with your application for a green card. Let's consider an example scenario. If your wife entered the United States on a J-1 visa and later changed her status to F-1 student status, it's crucial to determine if she is subject to the 2-year home residency requirement. Check her DS-2019 form or visa for any mention of the requirement. If it turns out that she is subject to this requirement, she will need to apply for a waiver through Form I-612 before proceeding with the I-485 application. It is essential that this waiver gets approved to continue with her green card application. Let's take a moment to test your understanding. Question: what form is used to apply for a waiver of the 2-year home residency requirement? Option A, Form I-485. Option B, Form I-612. Option C, Form DS-2019. Option D, Form J-1. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer to the quiz question is Form I-612. This form is specifically used to apply for a waiver of the 2-year home residency requirement associated with the J-1 visa, thereby allowing individuals to proceed with other visa applications or adjust their status without having to fulfill the requirement. Always thoroughly review both your DS-2019 form and J-1 visa to determine if the 2-year home residency requirement applies to you. If you're subject to this requirement, Form I-612 becomes essential to apply for a waiver. It's important to thoroughly understand your visa situations and use the correct forms for a smoother application process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found the information helpful, please like the video, share it with friends or anyone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd also love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments below.